Welcome to Mastering Chess, your journey to Grandmaster Mastery. Hello and welcome, future chess champions. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of chess? Whether you're an absolute beginner or an experienced player looking to take your skills to the next level, you've come to the right place. Chess is more than just a game. It's a timeless art, a strategic battlefield, and a never-ending source of intellectual challenge. And here in this course, you'll discover the secrets to mastering this beautiful game. If you're brand new to chess, fear not. Our first section is tailored just for you. We'll start from square one, guiding you through the fundamental rules, basic tactics, and essential strategies that will lay the foundation for your chess journey. For those of you who have already dipped your toes into the world of chess, our intermediate section will sharpen your skills and deepen your understanding. We'll delve into advanced tactics, strategic planning, and the intricacies of the middle game. And finally, for the daring souls aiming for the pinnacle of chess mastery, our expert section awaits. Here we'll explore the realms of masterful tactics, strategic brilliance, and the secrets of endgame mastery. But remember, no matter where you are in your chess journey, the most important thing is to enjoy the ride. So grab your knights and bishops, sharpen your minds, and let's dive into the fascinating world of chess together. Are you ready to make your move? Let's begin. I'll see you on the chessboard.